Hello and welcome to another video of the Atlalba Academy. I am Phil, and today we are looking at a very important topic in sociology by Irving Goffman, front stage behavior. That's the topic we are looking at, and we want to understand what it is and how that impacts people in society. Now, as the name suggests, front stage behavior means how we behave in front of people when we are with people that we don't know or we know very little, how we conduct ourselves and how we behave in front of them. The theory suggests that we behave nicely. So let's put that here. We behave nicely and put forth our best behavior when we are in front of people that we don't know. And essentially, that's because we want them to think uh, very positively of us, right? Uh, we want them to approve. Let's put that here as well. Approve of us, essentially, right? That's what it means. So we put forth our best behavior, and we interact with them. As we interact with them, we put forth our best behavior, because we want them to have a very good impression of us. And the idea here then is the first impression is very key, and we don't want to miss the opportunity for them to think positively of us. And so we put forth our nice behavior. We are very friendly, we are very polite, we're courteous, and when we interact. So, for example, you go to work, you say good morning to everyone at work, and if you're going for coffee, you ask your coworkers, "Hey, you guys want a cup of coffee?" And as you perhaps go for lunch, you ask, "Hey, I'm going for lunch. Does anyone want to join me?" These are all nice behaviors that we exhibit in front because we know people are watching us, right? Front stage behaviors suggest that because people are watching us, watching every move, every action that we take, we want to behave nicely. But that's not what we do when we are not in front of people, right? So we want to behave nicely. That way, they think positively of us, and they will approve of us essentially. That's front stage behavior. So, for example, another example will be um, somebody, a waitress, who comes to serve customers and is very polite to the customers. And she engages the customers in a very polite way and makes sure that they are satisfied with their orders and their experience, their dining experience. And when she comes to the table, she says, "Yes, sir," "Yes, ma'am," etc. But that's not what she does when she's not at the restaurant. When she's at home, she doesn't interact that way with people around her, right? And in this case, she wants the approval of the customers, and she wants the customers to think positively of her. That's front stage behavior. As the name suggests, front stage, we're in front of people, and we want to be sure that we put out our best effort. And this theory is a very important aspect of how people behave in society, and one in many ways one form of identity, because again we want people to see us in a positive light. And this is one of the reasons why employers in workplaces are really tired of the interview process, because they believe that a lot of candidates put forth the front stage behavior. And they come to the interview place and they shake hands and they smile and they wear the best clothes and they have their portfolios and resumes and all whatnot in the portfolio, and they present the portfolio, they give a presentation, they speak well of themselves, they ask them about their weaknesses and their strengths, they speak well of their weaknesses and they speak well of their strengths as well, and smiled away for 2 hours during the interview process. But employers are saying, is it really who this person is? Because anyone can smile for 2 hours to get a job, right? So in the interview process, then they are putting on a front stage behavior, right? Front stage behavior, so that they can get a job offer. But employers are asking the critical question: what is this person like when they are not in front of people? Right? That's what employers really want to know. They want to know who the real person is. Who are they hiring? What is the substance of this person? But front stage behavior really hides that real person, so to speak. And because everybody wants to be approved of, everybody wants others to think positively of them. And because they want these things, they put forth their best behavior. This is front stage behavior by Irving Goffman, a theory that's so critical in society today. And almost everybody engages in this theory in one form or the other. And a theory that also underscore the type of people we are, in other words, our identity.